Hi everyone, welcome to the mix room. This is Dami. This is gonna be a short video, and it's about the plugin that most people don't think of using on vocals that can actually help you get a very well polished vocal sound. This is a passive EQ. It's the Pultec EQ, and what I like about it is the warmth, the low end bump it can add, and it just makes your vocals sound forward in the mix. Let's actually just play the track in the mix, and then I will engage this Pultec right here.
I'm not ever like this. I wanna feel your body next to me. My right from wrong is hazy. My eyes are on you till you turn me down. We need to heat it up. Let's blow the roof off of this club.
I'm just gonna remove or reduce some of the effects on here. It's too loud. All right, let me solo the vocal track here and just demonstrate from scratch, really. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Let me actually reset the plugin. Okay, there you go.
I'm not ever like this. I wanna feel your body next to me.
Okay, bring the Pultec in, push 100. I'm pushing by 5 dB. Let's hear it.
I'm not ever like this. I wanna feel your body next to me.
Like that warmth, right? It's crazy. Take it off.
I'm not ever like this. I wanna feel your body next to me. I'm not ever like this. I wanna feel your body next to me.
It's great in the mix.
I'm not ever like this. I wanna feel your body next to me. My right from wrong is hazy. My eyes are on you till you turn me down. I'm not ever like this. I wanna feel your body next to me. I'm not ever like this. I wanna feel your body next to me.
Right, so it just brings out the warmth in the vocal, especially when the singer too was singing right here. The first note, I think, using his falsetto voice.
I'm not ever, I'm not ever, I'm not ever, I'm not ever.
It brings out the warmth in there from that falsetto, adding that low end as though this is natural coming from the microphone. So I am going to this is not a tutorial, but I just need to compress the vocal. Reason is just for the dynamics here. Let's use this one here.
I'm not ever like this. I wanna feel your body next to me. I'm not ever like this.
And the reason for why I'm doing this tutorial is also the Pultec really helps you push things forward in the mix, especially on a vocal track. Yes, it's a great plugin for bass, which I most times don't use. I forget to use it, or I have other ones that I use. But this for your vocal track does wonders. I also learned it from Andrew Sheps on the BGV parallel vocal chain. He has two Pultecs on the same channel right here, and I'm going to show that to you. Attenuating 100, boosting 8K, followed by a compressor, and then again a Pultec boosting 100 and attenuating the 8K, same 8K.
Grab the mics, the beat drops down and the people move a little faster. When we grab the mics, the beat drops down and the people move a little faster. When we grab the mics, the beat drops down and the people move a little faster. When we grab the mics, the beat drops down and the people move a little faster.
So it's doing that. So I'm using this also as part of the to gain more volume on the vocal. So keep that in mind. So of course it's louder, but more than the loudness, you can hear the low end bump that is on there. So once again, let's just listen to the lead vocal.
I'm not ever like this. I wanna feel your body next to me. My right from wrong is hazy.
Awesome.
My eyes are on you till you turn me down. We need to heat it up. Let's blow the roof off of this club. When we hit the stage, those bright lights turn on and the crowd gets a little louder. I will have you frozen, wrapped and tangled.
All right, thank you. I hope this was helpful. Bye.